So the question is, which of the following carbocations is expected to be the most stable? So the NO2 compound is attached to this compound. So the NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group, and it also exhibits minus I effect. And what this effect do is, this effect increases with decreasing distance of positive charge present on the nearest carbon atom. Hence, lesser is the stability of carbocation. So, like it's in this example, as we can see, uh, positive charge is on this carbon atom, and it is relatively closer, so it will be unstable. In this, it is the nearest of the all the compounds, so it will also be highly unstable. In this option also, the positive charge is too close to NO2, so it will also be the most unstable. This will be unstable and this will also be unstable. And out of the four compounds, this is the only compound where the positive charge is the at the farthest. So this one will be the stable. So option 3 will be the answer.